Welcome you all to my channel. I am A. Dhanasekar from Mettur. Dear students, today we will discuss about to calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen in hydrozoic acid and hydrazine and oxidation number of iron in ferric oxide which having metal deficiency defect. For better understanding, please watch my previous videos in this chapter. The link was given by me at the description box. Use that. Now we move to the topic. N3H hydrozoic acid. The structure of hydrozoic acid is N double bond N single bond N single bond H and partial single bond between three nitrogens are present. Now move to step 2, the oxidation number of individual atoms. Subjected atom nitrogen, so 3 nitrogens having the value X and hydrogen has +1 as the oxidation state. We draw the table. On filling this table, here two types of atoms present. The subjected atom nitrogen has present in 3 times and hydrogen has present in 1 times. So X into 3 and +1 into 1. This implies 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 because hydrozoic acid is neutral one. On simplifying this value, 3x plus 1 equal to 0, 3x equal to -1. This implies x is equal to -1 by 3. So in hydrozoic acid, nitrogen present in -1 by 3 oxidation state. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more update. Let me move question number 4. N2H4, this is known as hydrazine. The structure of hydrazine is H single bond N, single bond N, single bond H, and both nitrogen having remaining two hydrogens, and fix the oxidation number. First hydrogen has +1, this is also +1, so all hydrogen having +1, and nitrogen is the subjected atom, so it has the value X. And draw the table. First column element, second column oxidation state, third column total. So we have two types of elements. First one is nitrogen, which is present in 2 times, and the second type is hydrogen, which is present in 4 times. So now oxidation state, nitrogen is the subjected atom, so X into 2, and hydrogen +1 into 4. On simplifying this, 2x here plus 4 equal to 0. On simplifying this, 2x plus 4 equal to 0. This implies 2x is equal to -4, x is equal to -2. In hydrazine N2H4, nitrogen will be present in -2 oxidation state. Now we move to question number 5. Fe 0.94 times oxygen. This is ferric oxide which having metal deficiency defect. So Fe is present in less than 1 time. FeO has a cage form. So we have draw the table. First column is element. Second column its oxidation state. Third total. On filling this, we have Fe is the subjected atom which is present in 0.94 times and oxygen having 1 time. On filling oxidation number, Fe is the subjected atom, so it has X into 0.94 times and oxygen has -2 into 1 times. We have 0.94x minus 2 is equal to 0. On simplifying this, 0.94x minus 2 is equal to 0. 0.94x is equal to plus 2. This implies x is equal to plus 2 divided by 0.94. In ferric oxide, Fe present in plus 2 by 0.94 oxidation state. These are the test for yourself questions. Thank you.